Hello everyone, today I'm taking the tutorial. Just want to show you a very small idea by using our new material, the flower white. So on the first half of the video, I will show you the detail about how to use it on my idea. And for the second half of the video, I will show you the detail about the flower white so you can check the quality. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, first of all, let's bend the flower white and take the middle place of the white. And since our rectangle stand is about 80 cm tall, so let's take this part approximately close to 80 cm will be okay. And then this is the middle place. Make it like this will be okay. Bend it like this and then put it onto the stand. This is the middle place. Put it in the middle of the stand. Okay, so it will look like this. It's not pretty, but anyway, we can adjust the flower. Okay, then let's arrange the flower. First of all, I will take two parts of the flower white onto the opposite angle of the stand, like this. Okay, then you can tie it more to make it fit, and then we can start to adjust the flowers. There's no rule about how to adjust the flower because there are iron wire on the inside, so you can bend and adjust the flower. Okay, completed. This is the effect after I arrange the flowers. To tell you what the effect in reality is very beautiful. If you check the effect from the screen, it looks a little bit messy. But I don't know. I think the phone, the performance of the phones to take the effect of the 3D effect will be not much better than reality. It's very beautiful in reality. Okay. Like this. And this small idea very suitable to when you use different lengths of the rectangle to make your centerpiece like this. Okay, like this picture, look at this. It's very popular to use several of the rectangle stand to make the design, the decoration like this. But look at this place. It looks a little bit hollow. So if you can use this idea and put the flower white on it, so the design will be looks much more full. So the whole design, it will help to make the whole design much more pretty, much more match each other. So the come out will be, I think, will be much more pretty. Okay, like this one. So the whole design is very, very beautiful. But if you can add the flower on this place, I think, in fact, this design is okay, is very pretty, it's quite enough. But if you can use some flower on this place, the come out will be a little bit more pretty, I think. I'm not sure, but this design is very good. So that's why I use this little idea, because I found there are some places we can make the design full. Okay. Okay, then let's try it on our candelabra stand. Okay, look, the effect by putting on the rectangle stand made with our candelabra accessory. The effects are also good, very pretty. And when I make this design, I suddenly got a new idea about how to use it to make the candle centerpiece. I will try and make it. If I can make it, I will take another tutorial. Okay. It's very pretty also. So on the top, you can put the flower ball or cake, or no, or other stuff on the top. The whole effect will be very pretty. Okay then, let's check the quality of the flower wine. Okay, about our flower wine. Since a lot of people were interested to buy the material from me, so it's not very clean enough if they check by the picture. So I will show you on the video. Okay, check the material. The material is soft. It's maybe PVC or maybe foam material, very soft. But they are iron wire inside, in the main branch and all the small branch. So you can bend and adjust the material. About the length, let me check the length. It's about, not exactly, about the length. Yeah. About 1 meter and 1.5 meter. But the information shown on the factory, the information from the factory, they told me the length is 1.6 meter, but I take it not professional, it's about 1.5 meter. So the length will be 1.5 to 1.6 meter long. Okay, and then let's check the flowers. The flower will be look like this, not large. About a little bit out of strength because of the press, but it's not, the string is still okay, but maybe about 6 cm in diameter, 5 to 6 cm in diameter. This is the flowers. Okay, the flowers, and some blossom, like this. Okay, I will count how many flowers on it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got the number. The flowers, it has 14 flowers and 10 of the blossom. Okay, about the price, you can check it from my product list and on my Facebook page. Find it from my Facebook page. Find the link on the information field below this video will be okay. And okay, since this is a very short video, hope you can watch the advertisement as a supporting. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.